beautiful day. It's like a beautiful park. This is one of my favorite parks in Lawrence County. So peaceful. That's where we came from. Sorry for making you all dizzy. This is an area you can go down, and they have rocks you could sit on by the water. But it's like super high, so I'm not gonna do that. But when it's low, it's like really nice to step across the rocks. We have some picnic benches to sit on. I gotta show you this. Hold on. This is where I like to sit to read. I call it nature seat. Isn't that pretty? Just the leaves and sunshine. So yeah, I like to sit here on this stump, just read a book. Look at this cave over here. It's really neat. Let's see if I can show you inside this cave real quick. It's super cool. Look at these stairs. Alright, I'm up on the cave. It's really cool in here. There's some litter for somebody's bike helmet. Isn't that cool?